Welcome to Bake Some, a pastry shop inspired by popular Asian dishes. It's located across the street from the Grand Lake Theater. Joyce Tang is the founder. Hi, Joyce.
Hi, how's it going, Lisa?
Good, nice to be here with you. All right, so what is Bake Some?
Bake Some is your favorite local neighborhood Asian-inspired bake shop. We make a lot of really fun and different pastries that you really can't find anywhere else.
You were working in tech. How do you go from that to opening a bakery?
Back in 2015 or so, this was well before I had children, I took a class at the San Francisco Baking Institute, and I was just competing in competitions on the weekends to see, like, you know, if I really had the talent or had what it took to stand on my own 2 feet there. And so when I took this class, I ended up bringing up boxes and boxes of pastries to Facebook, where I was working at the time as a technical program manager. And my coworkers' faces completely lit up. They were so excited and so ecstatic about these like supremely fresh croissants that I knew it was this magical moment that I wanted to recreate over and over again.
So your goal was to have a family-oriented bakery investing in the people who work here. So I imagine this is part of how you do that, is really taking in their ideas, making them happen, and so they feel super invested in where they work.
Yeah, and we've all worked in work environments where we didn't feel valued or we didn't feel heard, and so it was an imperative for me to make sure we stood back and listened to our employees and understood what they need. A lot of our team are working mothers, and as working mothers, we also have to make sure that we strike a good balance.
Well, I mean, you're hustling. I mean, you just came in from delivering cookies yourself. You already seem to have a pretty big following. How's it going?
We're a little bit, surprised at how big this following has grown over the last couple years. It's only been 2 years.
What can people do then to support you?
Come to the bakery. Come to the bakery, try the baked goods, tell your friends about, your favorite pastry.
All right, Joyce Tang, thanks for talking to me today.
Yeah, thank you so much.